We have all seen LED lights many times, and we prefer them for their low power consumption. But would you like to see how they are made in the factory? Let's take a look. First, the manufacturing process starts with the cutting of the copper FR4 sheet. After that, the sheet is drilled using a CNC axis drilling machine. Then the screen is prepared, and here the film is taken for designing and the UV exposure is done. Now, the emulsion is washed off from the screen design. Then, the screening process is done on the FR4 sheet. After screening, a protective layer of photoresist is applied to the PCB sheet. Here, UV exposure is done to get the print onto the PCB sheet. Now, the protective layer is removed and the PCB sheet is sent to the developer machine. Then, the PCB is inspected manually. After that, the PCB sheets are sent for electroplating. Now, the PCB is sent to the etching machine. After etching, the PCB is sent to the scrubbing machine. Then the PCB is sent for silk screening. Here it is sent to the oven for the heating process. Now, the PCB is passed through the cutting machine. Then, the freshly trimmed PCB is plastic packed with plastic wrap. After that, solder paste is applied to it. Here, the PCB is sent to the pick and place machine for LED placement. Now the LEDs are placed and the PCB is ready and sent to the oven to prepare for dispatch.